Welcome to Annie's Hub. Which is the national bird? You keep thinking. I'll tell you the answer in the end. Now let's go into the video. It's very simple to draw. Step 1. Put a bee. Draw eyes. And draw the wings. Step 2. Put the wings. Okay, our bird is almost ready. And last but not the least, the branch. Okay, our bird is ready. See?
Okay, come, let's fly. Can we fly?
No,
Why?
we are heavy.
Okay, how the birds will fly?
They can fly with their wings.
Okay, we have wings.
No,
Okay, so we cannot?
fly.
Okay.
Like, subscribe and share to my videos. Hit the bell button to watch more videos. Our national bird is peacock.